In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a recurring meeting in Zoho Meeting. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Meeting website. Make sure you're signed into your Zoho account so you can access all the meeting features. If you're using Zoho as part of your organization, you'll typically log in with your work credentials. Then you'll be taken to the Zoho Meeting homepage. Once you're on the main Zoho Meeting screen, look for the section or tab labeled Meetings. This is where you can see your upcoming sessions, past meetings, and create new ones. Go ahead and click on Meetings. This will bring you to your meetings dashboard where you'll manage everything related to your online sessions. On this page, you'll find a button labeled Schedule. This is the starting point for setting up any new meeting. Click on Schedule to open the meeting creation form. Zoho will now show you a page where you can enter all the details for your new meeting. Here, begin by filling in the essential information. Type a clear meeting title so that participants immediately understand what it's about. For example, weekly team check-in or monthly client review. Add a short description if needed, especially if you want to share the agenda or any special instructions. Then, set the date and time for the first occurrence of the meeting. Choose the duration and make sure the correct time zone is selected so that all attendees see the right time. Once the basic details are in place, look for the option labeled More Options. Click on this to reveal additional settings that are not shown by default. This is where Zoho hides some of the more advanced features, including the recurring meeting settings. In the expanded options, find and select the setting for recurring. Turn this on or choose the recurring option from the drop-down. You'll now be able to specify how often this meeting repeats, such as daily, weekly, or monthly, and, depending on your needs, you can also set an end date or a specific number of occurrences. Take a moment to review these choices so your recurring pattern matches your schedule. After you've configured the recurrence and reviewed all the meeting information, scroll down